Hello everyone, I am Sainath. Today we are going to discuss the topic about solving problem by searches. By seeing the topic or by hearing the topic, the first question is coming. There will be totally what this topic on tells the information about it. You know, let's take some example, and by using that under example we can understand the topic. Okay, let's take the example of ChatGPT. What is the main use of ChatGPT? Like we are giving the prompt to the ChatGPT, it will give the response according to the prompt. That is the main work of ChatGPT, right? But we don't know what is the main work is going behind the ChatGPT. That we don't. Let's do the in this topic we will discuss about it. Okay, that is the main thing. The topic tells solving problem by searches. You know, so in real world there will be huge amount of information is there. Like whenever we are giving the prompt to the chat gpt, it will search like what are the information in the prompt. It will simply matches to the information which chat gpt has already. It will simply matches and giving the response accordingly. Okay, so how this searches happens, that is question mark. Let's discuss about it. There are mainly two types of searches is there. One is uninformed search algorithm and second is informed search algorithm. You know, in uninformed search algorithm there are mainly three types is there. One is depth first search, that is abbreviated as dfs, and second is breadth first search, bfs. These two searches we are already studied in, like if you are somewhat familiar in coding means some program language means, it is important algorithms, important searching algorithm. So in the this algorithm only we are using here also for searching. Let's discuss briefly about these searches. This bfs traversal and dfs traversal is the searching algorithm, that is uninformed searching algorithm. Okay, and there is one more uninformed searching algorithms also there, that is that is uniform cost algorithm. Like that uniform. First we will discuss about what is dfs, that means what is depth first search. What it will do means, in generally depth first search will do, it will go by depth. Like whenever we are doing searches, there will be firstly from root node is there. That root node will consist of child node. That child node will again consist of their child node. Okay, there are three components. One is root or parent, and another is child. These are the three things is mainly involved whenever we are speaking about searching. What dfs will do, what dfs will do, it will go by depth. It will search for firstly there will be root is there and left child is the right child is there. Firstly we are the root node. It will go by the depth, as much depth it is possible it go and search. If it can't able to find their goal, then it will again come to the root, then it will again go by the right side, and this is the depth first search. In this dfs traversal there are mainly three types is there. One is in-order traversal, and second is pre-order traversal, and third is post-order traversal. In the in-order traversal means what it will do means, it will simply go left side of the root and searches whether like it will matches goal or not. Then if left side is not matching means, then it will come again to the root, whether the root is goal or not. Then it will move for the right, then searching. This is the in-order traversal. What pre-order traversal will do, firstly it will search in the root, then it will go by the left depth, and if the goal is not present in the left depth, and it will go for the right depth. This is the pre-order traversal. Then we will come into the topic of post-order traversal. In that post-order traversal, what it will do means, firstly it will searches in the left, and secondly it will searches right. If both left side and right side is not present, then it will search in the root. This is the brief discussion about dfs, that means depth first search. By the name it indicates it going depth and doing the searches. And next topic is to be bfs traversal. Bfs means that is breadth first search. What it will do means, it will simply search by level. It will go in by level by level. There will be first level, second level, third level, fourth level, like that. It will like usually DFS traversal doesn't take that much amount of space. It will take a space of like big of one like that only, complexity, space complexity. But whenever we are speaking about the BFS traversal, it will take the space complexity of big of n. You know why? Whenever we are speaking about the BFS traversal, we are using the queue to store the each and every node. Okay, we store each and every node into the queue. Then after each and every time we are copying out that node into the queue. Then we will go for the left and right like that. This is the BFS and DFS traversal. The main point you will note that in the BFS traversal it consists extra space complexity, but in DFS traversal it does not contain extra space complexity. Okay. Next we will come into the topic of uniform cause search. It what it will do means it will simply go what in BFS task will do, it will go by level, and what DFS will do, it will go by depth, like that. But in uniform cost search, it will go by like which node have that least cost. It will go by least ascending order, and least somewhat increasing order, like first low I like that. Okay, it will go by uniform cost search by searching the node. It will go by the first least node, then somewhat higher than that node, then somewhat higher than the node, etc. etc. Like that it is going. That is uniform cost search. This is all about uniform. Then this is all about uninformed search algorithm. Next, we will come on to the informed search algorithm. In that informed search algorithm, there are mainly two types. Is there? One is A star search algorithm, and next one is greedy breadth first search algorithm. Whenever we are coming into the topic of A star algorithm, what in this algorithm do means it will simply combine the path cost and cost heuristic cost to find the most efficient way to reach our goal node. This is the way that A star algorithm works. And next there is in another type of the informed search algorithm is to be, that is greedy best first search algorithm. So in that what it will do means, you know, like it will simply choose the node which was closest to our goal node. Like for example there is main node is there, so in that node like this is our first node, like in between many node is there and this is our goal node. So what it will do means it will simply search like which node is somewhat closest to the goal node. It will directly come into that node to make it as optimal solution. Like it will take somewhat less time complexity. So the as you know, like, because it will directly before it is visiting each and every node, it will directly visiting the node just before the goal node or somewhat before the goal node. That is all about informed search. So this is the way the search algorithm is happen behind that any problem. Whenever we are giving any problem to the AI system or model, it will simply searches either by depth or breadth or uniform or A star or greedy first search. Like it will be choose the searches regarding to the problems which they have. Okay, so this is very brief discussion, very brief summary about solving problem by searches. Thank you. Bye bye.